Don't talk too much. Hold on to your tongue. And talk these days is not only talk. There's a lot of talk these days, but without words being said. Two things. Number one, dua. Don't give up on yourself. Even if you see yourself low, we all go up and down. No one is perfect. No one stay like this. No one, including Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. Otherwise, Allah would not have said to him, stay steadfast. So don't give up on yourself, but also don't be too lenient. It's okay. Don't keep saying it's okay to yourself. When you are too tight on yourself, say it's okay. When your nafs is too loose, say come on. Dua, dua, and don't give up. And make dua for each other. And one of my favorite dua is رُدَّ الْمُسْلِمِينَ إِلَى دِينِكَ مَرَدًّا جَمِيلًا. Ya Allah, bring all the Muslims back to your deen, beautiful way of return. Ya Rabbi, Ameen.